Chapter 3 Uses of Computer. Topics covered. Uses of a computer. Places where computers are widely used. Uses of a computer. 1. It helps us to type documents. 2. We can play games on the computer in our free time. 3. We can solve mathematical problems using a computer. 4. Computers help us with our homework. We can find any information using Internet. 5. We can listen to music and watch movies on the computer.
6.
We can book online tickets instantly using a computer.
7.
We can also practice drawing and coloring on a computer.
8.
We can also send and receive messages from one computer to another through email. Cyber tidbits. Email stands for electronic mail. It can be sent to anyone, anywhere in the world using Internet. Places where computers are widely used. As computers have many uses, they are very useful at a number of places. Let us now look at places where computers are mainly used. In schools. In hospitals. At railway stations/airports. In offices. In shops. At home. There are many more places where computers are used. We will study about them in higher classes. Life tip. Always keep your eyes 50 centimeters away from the screen when working on the computer. Blink after every 20 minutes while working.